Hey guys, I'm here to talk to you about protecting your paint with Ceramic Pro. Ceramic Pro is the new industry standard for protecting automotive surfaces and most importantly, protecting your paint. The reason why it's better is it truly is a permanent solution. Unlike all the promises that I've made before, this one is really built to last. The reason why is it's made up of two main ingredients, and those are silica dioxide and titanium dioxide. There's also a solvent that once that evaporates, it leaves behind those two main ingredients to form a thin, hard, clear, and flexible glass shield, unlike anything you've ever seen before. Ceramic Pro makes your paint harder, more scratch resistant, much better looking. It's just stunning looking, so you'll be protected against things like bird poop stains, tree sap, and anything environmental, oxidation. Really the best paint protection on the market, unlike anything you've seen before. I'm going to showcase a couple of things for you here just really quickly. Just know that Ceramic Pro, another thing that makes it so unique and special is it's multi-layerable. It's designed to be multi-layerable, which gives it all of the best characteristics of hardness and slickness and enables us to be able to offer the lifetime warranty that no other paint protection right now offers. I'm going to show you a couple of really cool attributes here. So we have here is a 50-50 coated panel. We call it a strike plate. You'll see here the side that's treated has the Ceramic Pro symbol or sticker, and then we have an untreated side. This is coated with what we call our gold package, the lifetime warranted 5-layer protection. And in my hand I have two props. One is a Sharpie marker, and then one is a cigarette lighter. First, let me show you the Sharpie marker. So you take the Sharpie marker and you basically just right across the surface here. So again, treated side, untreated side. Let's give this a second to dry. And then you'll see that the treated side will wipe off with relative ease. And the untreated side, I won't be able to wipe that off without using a really, really heavy cleaning detergent that would compromise the structure of the paint as it is originally. And then secondly, to show you this is again a lighter, and we call this our strike test. And what's going to happen is it's going to leave behind some transfer on the untreated side, and it will also leave behind some on the treated side. And again, what you see here is on the treated side, that will be able to wipe off very, very easily. And on the untreated side, even aggressive rubbing won't remove it. And lastly, just to show you how protected this paint really is, got a spray paint can. This is straight from Home Depot, Rust-Oleum. I'm going to give this panel about 20 minutes to harden so that you can see that the hard paint on the treated side will simply wipe off, and on the untreated side it will stick permanently. If you look closely at what's happening here, you can actually see that the untreated side is bonding, and the treated side you can see the paint is sitting on top and beading. Alright, give me 20 minutes and I'll show you guys the results of this. Okay, so we had this panel outside in the sun for about 45 minutes, allowing the paint to harden. You can see that it's totally dry to the touch. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to place it over here on this table and show you how much more easy it will be to remove it from the treated side than the untreated side. So you can see that the Ceramic Pro made it so that the spray paint was unable to bond to the surface. Now if we go to the untreated side, it's very difficult. I'm wiping with all of my power to try to remove this. You simply cannot.